Toonie!
Hey kids, let's learn Spanish with Toonie! And today, colors! Blue, azul. Red, rojo. Yellow, amarillo. Green, verde. Orange, naranja. Pink, rosa. White, blanco. Purple, morado. Black, negro. Brown, marrón. Gray, gris. Gold, dorado. Silver, plata. Great job! Now together, let's start in English. Blue, yellow, red, green, pink, white, purple, black, silver, brown, gray, gold. Very good! And now in Spanish. Ready? Azul, amarillo, rojo, verde, rosa, blanco, morado, negro, plata, marrón, gris, dorado. Wow, that was amazing! Muy bien!